Camp Zama recently opened its gates to the public for the 60th annual Bon Odori Festival. Despite the hot and humid weather, nearly 20,000 people from both on and off the installation came to the base to experience a vibrant mix of Japanese and American culture.
Thank you for letting us help celebrate such an important part of your culture. This is my first chance to experience the Bon Odori. Getting to share in your rich history and culture is a special treat for our community and my family, and I've looked forward to this day since arriving here in Japan in early July.
Camp
Zama is the only camp shared by the U.S. Army and the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. It's important to understand each other's cultures through traditional Japanese events, such as the Bon Dance.
Service members, civilians, family members, Japan Ground Self-Defense Force members, local Japanese residents, children and adults alike all gathered in a circle both around and on a large bon tower to join in the traditional bon dance.
American people are always up for anything, so they quickly learned the bon dance moves. It was fun teaching them. Hopefully people learned something about the Japanese mentality through events like today's. I would be so happy if we all became friends with each other.
I think the most fun part for me was like meeting the locals here, making friends. I've always wanted to come out to Japan, so I think it's really cool that I'm actually making Japanese friends here.
Bon is a week-long observance during which it is said deceased ancestors return to their families and relatives who welcome their loved ones with a large meal. Also during this time, neighborhoods gather to hold a festival that celebrates their ancestors' return with singing and dancing. The Camp Zama Bon Odori Festival has become one of the major events that helps bridge the relationship between the U.S. Army and the Japanese community.
It's amazing. It's important to us as a community because the Japanese are our hosts, and so to build a good relationship and the whole idea of Kyozone or coexistence is important. We have to know each other to trust each other, and it's just like the whole idea of family coming from Hawaii and Ohana. It's the only way to have that is to spend time with each other and learning each other and getting to know each other.
Understanding each other's culture more deeply is very important to work together as good neighbors and good partners. It's also a great opportunity for the local community to look at how closely we work together by opening the installation.
Reporting for U.S. Army Garrison, Japan Public Affairs, this is Honey Nixon.